The Tamron 28-200mm di III RXD lens is a groundbreaking all-in-one zoom lens with a fast maximum aperture of f2.8, offering exceptional versatility for photographers. This lens is designed to deliver outstanding image quality by utilizing a precise arrangement of special lens elements, ensuring high resolution and clarity in your photos. Its compact size and lightweight design, weighing only 575 grams and measuring approximately 117 millimeters in length, make it highly portable and ideal for travel. The Lens RXD stepping motor unit provides exceptionally quiet autofocus performance, making it perfect for both still photography and video recording. With superior up-close shooting capabilities, you can achieve impressive close-up shots with a minimum object distance of 7.5 inches at the wide end and 31.5 inches at the telephoto end. This lens is a versatile companion for full-frame mirrorless cameras, allowing photographers to capture a wide range of scenes from everyday moments to sports and nature photography with ease.